The next thing is the settings option. In settings, as you can see, we have a few different type of settings over here. The first of all, you can select the model, which is for now only Gemini Pro, but we are also adding Gemini Advanced. Apart from that, there's a temperature setting and the output length setting. So this temperature setting is basically how creative you want the AI to be to answer your queries. So zero means, that means zero creativity, and the temperature of one means maximum creativity. Okay, so let's try some prompts. So you can go to any cell and type Gemini and give a prompt. Let's say write a tagline for a juice shop. Okay, so it's given you a tagline based on the temperature setting that is the default setting. You can also manually set temperature for each particular request by going to the temperature field over here and setting it within uh, creativity value between 0 and 1. Okay, so what we'll do is, let's just take this prompt out for now, and we'll paste it over here, and we'll use this method. So okay, pure light every set. Now let's just change the temperature back to 0.1 and save it. The settings have been saved now, and we'll use the same formula. It should be A1. So it's giving a similar type of response for each of the prompt. Okay, we'll change it back to, let's say, 1, save it. A different creativity level. So this is how this temperature works. So but you can also, this is the this temperature in the sidebar is the default setting, the overall setting, but you can override this with uh, your value for a particular formula. So now this particular prompt will be a little bit different. It will give you different creativity level. Okay.